Hello, my name's Dominic Fonte with Dominic Fonte Associates, and I want to invite you today to check out this awesome property we have, this virtual walkthrough. It's located at 2979 Cloverhurst Street, Northeast Canton, Ohio, zip code 44721, which is located in Saratoga Hills. So I'm going to step out of the way and I want to show you some photos, tell you a little bit more about this house. Since you can't be with us, I want to give you the overview. Okay, the quick overview is you have a total of 3,688 square feet. Now this home was built in 2015, lovely floor plan, a lot of natural light, but it has 2,968 square feet on the first and second level, 720 square feet on the lower level, which makes it 3,688. The garage looks like a two-car garage, but actually it's a tandem on one side, so you have actually a three-car garage. It's a little less than half-acre lot. When you walk in the front door, now you're going to notice this is a spacious floor plan. It's like new, beautiful decor, natural light pouring in. So the second you walk in, you're going to notice how big and open that first floor is. It has a huge island for entertaining, a large dining area with a row of windows on the wall that overlook the backyard that has a fenced-in yard, a huge deck for three-season entertainment, a lot of natural light coming in. Also, it's open to the living room area or the family room. This is lovely. Now, this first floor is great. Now, what I think is also wonderful about this is you have a first floor office. With the way things are, it's nice to have that flex space. If you need it as another bedroom, I guess you could use it, but the office is really nice on the first floor. Now, it's 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. So when you go upstairs, the master suite is humongous. And then you got this humongous closet. I haven't seen anybody complain about the closet space, that's for sure. Always need extra. And then you have the bedrooms and the bathrooms. And then when you look at the second floor, it also has a laundry, which is very unique. And then when you say, well, you know what, it's game day, I need a place to bring some friends over, entertain, or maybe even you need flex space for someone to live there, go to the lower level. Check out this cool bar area. Fabulous place to watch the game or just kick back and play cards. You also have rec space, right? And then a recreational area, another bathroom, and then you have this hobby area if you have crafts or something you like to do. Tons of storage. Now, if you look at the overhead photos of the yard and the setting, you're going to notice the fenced-in yard and the lovely yard with all the walkability in the neighborhood. So Stark Parks has trails kind of integrated through this sanctuary of living for bike trails, bird walking, hiking, and then the bonus is you have a clubhouse, so you can check out some photos of the clubhouse, and it has a in-ground pool that you would have access to. Why I like the clubhouse is, if you have a baby shower or birthday party or something you want to schedule, you could do that. It has a playground area for the kids, grandkids, or just if you like to stretch a little bit out there and have a little fun. This is all self-contained right in your backyard, basically. This property could be seen by calling Zev Braun, 330-418-1535. So as you look through these photos, just envision how easy it would be to set up that appointment, take a look through, and see if this is the home of your dreams.